In this video, I'm showing you how to download your Snapchat stories in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. And this video tutorial work for the both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly, open your Snapchat app and then click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. And when you click on your Bitmoji, then you can see your stories in the My Stories tab, and here you can see your stories. To save the Snapchat stories or download, simply click on the three dots in the right side of the Snapchat story. Click on the three dots, and here you can see the second last option, save a story. Click on the save a story, and it is saying that this will save your entire storage to your memories. And then click on the yes, and now it will be saved to your gallery or photos, so it is saved. So this is the first way, and you can the second way to download the stories is you can simply click on your story and you can open your stories, and the and then you can also click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here you can see the option save. Click on the second last option, save, and it is saving a snap, you can see in the top, and now it is saved. And the third way is you can simply swipe up, and here you can see in the bottom left corner you can see this download icon. Click on this, and now it will also download save your snap, and now your snap is saved. So there is three ways that how you can do this. So you can download your Snapchat stories by following this way. So that's it, that how you can do. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.